it down, I gon' get bone.
Give it to, give it to, give it, give it, give it to, give it to, give it to, give it, give it, give it to, give it to, give it to, give it, give it, give it to, give it to, give it to.
So we've got a buddy coming here to paint this van for us because I want this thing to look pretty. If I put this amount of effort into it, I want it to look good. So we're thinking we're going to paint it as a turtle, and Matt here is going to be doing the job. If you guys are interested in Matt painting your vehicle and you live around Ontario, I'll put his logo and all that up on the video, and you guys can get him to come and paint your stuff. He does show up to a lot of derbies. So what are you thinking about this thing, Matt?
I think it's well, it's a unique build, so we'll give it a unique paint job.
That's what I'm not looking to win best in show. I just want it to look better than what it looks, because it honestly looks like a piece of crap.
But it would be nice.
It would be nice. You know, I hear that Orangeville is giving away a $100 tattoo voucher for best decorated car this year.
Ah.
Yeah. So I'm thinking turtle, because the van looks like a damn Ninja Turtle, so we might as well make the paint job match the feel of it. It's pretty unique, isn't it, Matt?
Absolutely.
Have you ever seen one of these before?
No, I haven't. The closest it would be one of those, oh my gosh, Lumina vans, but this is still a different beast, right?
So, want to point something out interesting. You see how you have this threaded rod? This one's welded to the alternator.
Okay.
And this one's welded to the water pump. Little different.
Yeah. Sweet.
I don't really know what's going to go on with this thing in the derby track, but hopefully it's good. Hopefully they let me run it.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where it's all all the positivity. I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off.
So yesterday I had a buddy come over, his name's Matt. He runs a company called Last Matt Standing, and he does amazing derby spray paint jobs. Oh, I may have just ruined the surprise because I just got to look at it. So he came over and he painted 2 cars for me. He painted my figure 8 car, which you guys seen a long time ago, and he painted this van. Now, I had to leave to go to work before they were done. So I didn't get the chance to see what they look like. But guys, this van, I'm extremely happy about this. I think I need to go on Amazon now, and I think I need to buy an outfit. I know that you guys are saying, oh, I don't know what you mean. You ready? You ready for the big reveal? Here we go. Look at this thing. It's a Ninja Turtle. I'm so excited for this. And you know what? He did something that I wasn't really expecting. He put banger style racing car numbers on the side of this. And I don't know if you guys know what banger racing is in the UK, but that is my most favorite sport to watch. It's demolition derby, except on an oval track, and about 3 times the speed. But guys, this van, it's actually really cool because this van, I actually got all the ideas for this thing from Banger Racing. So the fact that it's got banger numbers on it, I love it. This thing looks amazing. He even put Cowabunga across the front bumper, painted the dash. Like, that's commitment right there. It's got the teeth. I love the fading of the teeth and everything on this. Zacks Workshop. I love this thing. I can't wait. I'm gonna have to go on Amazon right now and buy myself a Ninja Turtles outfit. Last Matt Standing. That's his logo right there. If you guys want, I'll put his Facebook thing up here in the video. But what an amazing paint job, guys. I do have a time lapse of him painting this. What happened was I just left him my camera, and he was awesome enough to actually film it because, like I said, I had to leave. So he took the camera and he moved it around. I haven't even edited any of the footage yet, so I can't wait to watch this thing get painted. He told me it took him a while. I can tell that it took him a while. This is a high quality paint job and this thing looks amazing. Oh. It's gonna be a shame to smash this thing. Maybe I will just go to all the demolition derbies around me, enter it in best in show, win, and then head home. Never actually derby it, just fake that it doesn't run. I say that and then watch it. I'm gonna get to the derby now and it doesn't run. Big shout out to Matt and last Matt standing. That is an amazing paint job. I could not have asked for anything better than that because that is everything I pictured in my mind. I'm gonna have to go to Amazon now and buy myself a Ninja Turtle outfit. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.